Hi friends, the next topic is human comfort. This is a RSC topic, human comfort, or you can say human comfort with respect to temperature, or another way we can say human comfort thermodynamically. This is RSC topic. So what is thermodynamic of human body? Body feels thermodynamically comfortable. Body feels thermodynamically comfortable when heat produced by the metabolism. Metabolism. What is this? We explain further. Metabolism of body is equal to the sum of the heat dissipated to the surroundings and the heat stored in human body by raising the temperature of the body's tissues. So here we discuss metabolism. This is two type. First catabolism and second one is what? Anabolism. Here big molecules break down and energy release, but here smaller molecules are combined and energy is consumed. So here energy produced and here energy consumed. So energy produced are consumed by body cells. Body cells some activity do, and then bodies some part energy increases and another part energy consumed, and that function is known as metabolism. So here this is metabolism. This is two types, anabolism and catabolism. In catabolism energy produced and anabolism energy consumed. So here some formula is given. Qm is equals to plus minus Qs plus Qe plus minus Qr plus minus Qc. So what is Qm? Qm is a metabolic heat produced in body, that is taken as kilojoule per hour, and Qs stored energy in temperature, and if temperature rises then it taken as positive, and if temperature fall then it taken as negative. Qr plus minus Qr here, heat loss or gain by radiation, heat gain or loss by radiation. So plus value, what? Plus value shows that when heat is lost to the surrounding it is taken as plus, and negative value when heat is gained from the surrounding it is taken as negative value, and it is totally taken in kilojoule per hour. So another notation here, QE evaporative heat loss at the skin surface and the lungs, taken as kilojoule per hour. QC heat loss are gained by conduction and convection, taken as kilojoule per hour. Plus value heat loss from the surroundings, and negative value heat gain from the surroundings. Here biological adjustment. Friends, you know our body when temperature high or low, then our body do something at the level of cell and adjust their body temperature. So here biological adjustment, there are two types of biological adjustment. First one is known as vasomotor control, the temperature controlled by our body. There are two types. First vasomotor control and pseudomotor control. What is vasomotor control? In this case blood supply to the skin and the temperature, body temperature will be controlled. Blood supply to the skin in vasomotor control. And second one is pseudomotor control, sweat productions, maximum sweat production and temperature, body temperature level is maintained. So all over these terms will be do in body to maintain their body temperature and human beings comfort. So you enjoy this level of questions and human body comfort. So thank you, enjoy it.